Lately, some people don't feel good while reading newspaper because they hardly find good news from newspapers. Just bad news is omnipresent. Homicide, rape, disappearance, and depreciation of values are now commonplace. People are dying in sporadic clashes in different places. There is a Rohingya cracks also. Human rights are being grossly disrupted. Women in our country nowadays, they are afraid to go out of the house because they have no security. Recently, the United Nations has expressed serious concerns over the increasing violence against women in our country Bangladesh and called for justice. So everything is happening in our country only due to the extreme deterioration of law. The dream with which this country became independent seems to have failed today. In order to develop a country, criticism is a common phenomenon because through criticism, a ruling party can solve many problems, especially the political problems. But it is a matter of regret that in our country Bangladesh, the picture is completely opposite. The rule of law is the principle of governing the state, where all these activities of the government are conducted under the law. In political terms, the rule of law means that the government in power will always act in accordance with the law, so that any citizen of the state who violates any right will get redress. Today, we have failed to uproot all the cracks from the society because there is no implementation of law. So, miscreants have become more violent today. If we can't establish good governance of the state, then soon the situation in Bangladesh will be worsened and outrageous. However, it is a positive aspect that the conscious people of our country are protesting. Even people of our country who are living in abroad nowadays, they are also protesting. They are trying to uproot all the problems that are occurring nowadays in our society. People want their franchise back to build the country in a tidy form because all these are momentous for a democratic country like Bangladesh. So it is high time we changed our country so that we can turn the country into Sonar Bangla. Thank you very much.